know why you are doing this. You want to control us. You want to take advantage of us and our resources. We are telling you what you have done already has already damaged us enough. You don't know how much our children are crying. You don't know how much our mothers are crying. You don't know how much our fathers are crying because of the deeds of the deeds of those who represent you and yourself for the last 10 years. We shall not accept it. Some of you are boasting that you are going to ensure that you win. I can assure you one thing. We shall protect our votes. We shall protect our rights. We shall protect everything that belongs to us. And we shall not allow you to do it to us. We shall not be your slaves again. We will not accept. We have been using our resources to finish us, to finish our children, to deny us jobs. Just know that the time for that has come. It has ended. We will not do it again. Na nikataka kumwambia yule kiongozi ambaye alienda kututengenezea ama kututolea viongozi huko Kere, hiyo itakuwa mwisho, because hatuwezi kukupea viongozi ambao unawaleta watuumize. Hatuwezi kukubali. Na ningetaka kuambia hawa viongozi ambao wameletwa, kuja uambie jamii, hasa jamii ya Masai, ni kwa nini nilikubali kwenda kutolewa nje na kuja kutuliza tupe uongozi.